Hi class, today I'm going to be reading you the book, Good Morning Chick, and I am looking for clues as to whether this book is a fiction book or a non-fiction book. And right now I'm actually not sure. It looks like there's illustrations, not photographs, but it looks like though chickens are doing pretty much what a normal chick would do, right? There's a baby chick and a mama chick. There's a chicken that's back here on the fence, maybe crowing. So at this time, I'm not sure whether it's a fiction book or a non-fiction book. And it's written by Mira Ginsburg, and the pictures or illustrations are by Byron Barton. There was a little house, white and smooth, like this. One morning, tap, tap, crack, the house split open like this. And a chick came out. He was small and yellow and fluffy, like this. With the yellow beak and yellow feet, like these. His mother's name was Speckled Hen. She looked like this. She loved the chick and taught him to eat worms and seeds and crumbs. Peck, 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 like this. A big black cat jumped out of the house and hissed at the chick like this. The speckled hen spread out her wings and covered the chick like this. Cluck, 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 she scolded, and the cat backed away. Then a rooster flew up to the fence, up on the fence, stretched his neck and sang, cock-a-doodle-doo, like this. That's easy, said the chick. I can do it too. He flapped his wings and ran and stretched his neck and opened his beak. Maybe there's a clue whether this is a fiction or non-fiction book. But all that came out of his beak was a tiny little peep peep. He didn't look where he was going and fell into a puddle. Plop, like this. A frog sat in the puddle and laughed. Quack, ha, ha. Wait till you grow before you can crow. The frog looked like this. And the wet chick looked like this. Now Speckled Hen ran to her chick. She warmed him and coddled him like this. The chick dried out and was round and golden and fluffy again, and off they went together to look for worms and crumbs and seeds, peck, 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 like this. Okay, so I want you to think, what were the clues to let you know whether this was a fiction book or a non-fiction book? Talk to your family and let them know what kind of book you thought it was.